Hey, welcome back. I'm Jason Hardy with Elite Barbecue Smokers. And today I'm gonna show you how to do a spatchcocked turkey on a K4L drum cooker. You're gonna love this one. This will be pretty cool. So let's get to prepping so we can get to cooking. So come on. So as you see right here, I got about a 12-pound turkey here. This is a fresh turkey we've got. We're gonna cook this up for Christmas time. This is a spatchcock method. Pretty simple method, and it's kind of even to cook out. You're gonna love it. So let's start spatchcocking. So I'm gonna flip it over. I'm gonna find my backbone, which is here. And I'm gonna take my knife and just score both sides of it. Then I'm gonna take it and start cutting it out. So as you see, I've got the backbone took out of it. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my knife. You see what you're talking about right there is a good score. We'll flip it over. If your bone's giving you a hard time, use a pair of kitchen shears. Nothing wrong with that. The injection we use today is this Tony's. This is a Tony's butter marinade type injection. You get it from local Walmart. Great injection. I use it for Christmas time and Thanksgiving all the time. I love this injection, especially for turkeys. We come here in the breast, put pretty much the whole thing in one shot. Because I want that breast to stay super moist. About 3/4 of a shot in it. Start seeing it come out. Move it up a little bit. Come both sides of the drumsticks. Half there. See how much it's swollen up? See the difference between the two of them? Make sure you eject and you stay inside the meat. Be careful with that because you don't need it on the cutting board, you need it inside the meat. My little wings right here. Get a half shot in each wing. Then one of the drumsticks to the wing. I got a little bit more, so we'll come in here and hit the thighs again. So now you've seen we spatchcocked it and now we injected it. Now I'm gonna flip it over, I'm gonna put some seasoning on it. So the season I'm gonna use today is probably a little bit different than what you normally use, but I like the flavor it gives to this turkey, especially with my base I'm gonna do, which is gonna be some butter and apple juice, and some apple cherry habanero. And it's basically salt, pepper, garlic. It's kosher salt, pepper, and garlic. I know it sounds crazy, but it does give a good flavor to it. And especially when I start doing the basting, it's gonna really just add something to it. And if you wanna go more, get something with some paprika, some spiciness to it, you're welcome to do that. This is just basically just a simple recipe, but the flavor is just speaks for itself. It really does. So now I'm gonna put this on this rack right here because I'm gonna use it to cook it on the smoker so I can take it in and out pretty easy. So I'll take my rack, I'm gonna come right here, I'm gonna flip it right on over and put it right on my rack. This peppers can give a good little bark to it also. Similar to kind of like we would with a brisket. And when I put that butter spritz on it, apple juice, it's going to add a good flavor to it. That's how we're going to cook it. So we'll put this bad boy on the smoker, get this party started. Let's go put it on the smoker. We cooked this at 300 degrees, right at 3 hours. So I got internal temperature in my breast meat of 165 degrees and my thigh meat and my drum of 180 degrees. Once I hit that temperature, then I pulled it off, I brought it inside, I allowed it to rest. It rests for about an hour. What I want to do is allow all that juices to migrate back up into the meat. Now we get ready to slice this bad boy up and taste it. You ready? I'm ready. Let's get to slicing. First thing I'm gonna do here is remove the wings. This is my mother's favorite part right here. Pull the wire down, cut them loose. So now I'm gonna come right here and take my thigh meat. Pull it off. Same thing over here. Now I'm left with my breast meat. So I'm gonna come right here across my breast, on the breastbone and cut it down. Roll it on out. Take a piece of breast meat right here and cut it right in half. Juicy, ain't it? See that? Look at that. That is crazy. So I got a piece of the breast there. Cut this right here in half. Drumstick there. I'm gonna give it a piece of this thigh meat. So let's taste it. Taste the breast to start with. So look at that. That area is good. That's nice and juicy, got good flavor to it. A little bit of salt and pepper. That area's good. Let's try here the thigh meat with the bark on it. A little crunchy, a little more chew to it on the outside bark, but that's good. That's really good. I've tried drumstick. That's perfect. That's really good. The black pepper, that little SPG, you taste that garlic, you taste that salt, you also taste that pepper. A little bit of heat into it. Mixed with that rub, that butter rub, man, that there is spot on. Absolutely amazing. Dolly, you wanna try this? Come on, girl. Dolly liked it. If Dolly liked it, you will too. If you like this video, make sure you check out the oven we have on the turkey. I have a link up above. Now I say the blessing. Let's go inside and eat. Lord, bless food by our seed. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. We greatly appreciate it. See you next time.